Efficient farming starts with a precise choice. Specially designed for small and medium-sized farms as well as family farms, this 40 horsepower tractor combines lightness, flexibility, and outstanding performance, unlocking a new level of farming efficiency. Powered by a strong 40 horsepower engine, it delivers stable and abundant power, with low fuel consumption and low noise, balancing high efficiency and energy saving. It handles daily farming tasks with ease. Its compact and flexible body features a small turning radius, allowing smooth operation in orchards, greenhouses, terraced fields, and small farmlands, adapting to various farming conditions. All-in-one machine with multi-purpose capability. It can be matched with a wide range of agricultural implements such as plows, harrows, seeders, harvesters, and sprayers, enabling one-stop completion of deep plowing, sowing, weeding, harvesting, and transportation, greatly reducing labor costs and improving farming efficiency. With user-friendly operation design, the control panel is simple and easy to understand, allowing even beginners to get started quickly and reducing fatigue during long-hour work. Equipped with a comfortable seat and excellent shock absorption, it greatly enhances operational comfort. We provide global parts support and professional after-sales guidance, giving you total peace of mind in purchase and use. Efficient, flexible, durable, and cost-effective, this 40 horsepower tractor is your ideal partner in farming. We sincerely invite distributors and farmers worldwide to visit Shanghai Honggang Machinery Manufacturing Co., Ltd. and build cooperation with us.